Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just hit my 1 year, so I do want to go ahead and do an ACV with baking soda, and also I'm gonna add a little lemon to my hair wash, only because I haven't had a deep wash and I've been locked a year now. So I do want to go ahead and do an ACV wash for you guys. I'm gonna start off with just running warm water. Oh yeah, it's perfect. I'm also gonna add a little cold water. I do see some smoke rising up, and I'm not trying to burn my scalp. Alright, perfect. I filled the sink up pretty high, only because I want to make sure I get my roots as well, guys. I want to be able to give you guys a quick glimpse of my hair and what it's looking like now. I did hit my 1 year May the 4th. Still kind of new to me. May the 4th, and the whole month of April I didn't do a retwist, so this is what my hair is looking like without a retwist and what it's looking like at its year. I don't have a lot of buildup because I don't put a lot of product in my hair, but I do use like gel, and I use like, you know, edge control for my edges and all that good stuff. So I'm sure I have, you know, something in there. So I definitely want to just kind of get it as clean as I possibly can, and I just want to bring you guys along. So come. I am gonna go ahead and squeeze some of the lemon juice into the water as much as I can. And I'm also going to take the second lemon and do the same thing. I do want to be able to do this 2 times, so I'm not going to put as much lemon juice in there. I'm just going to put just a little bit. For my apple cider vinegar, this is the brand that I'm going to be using from Kroger's. You guys can use any apple cider vinegar you want. I also picked up this apple cider vinegar from like my local Dollar Tree, but I also realized it only had like 5% of like acid in there, so I don't know if it's going to give me the bubbles that I need, so I'm just going to use both of them. And I also have some baking soda here I'm going to add in there as well. So I am going to go ahead and add the apple cider vinegar. I guess I should measure it, just so I can know how much I'm putting in there. This stuff stinks so bad. Okay, so I put 2 cups in there. Well, I'm not gonna put that over there. Okay. Oh, this shit stink. And I'm also gonna use some of this apple cider vinegar as well. And I seen a video that it's best to put your hair in the apple cider vinegar and then add the baking soda, so you can actually see the buildup get removed, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Oh, let me take a before and after picture. Oh, that's cute. And find me on Instagram, guys. Find me on Snapchat. Oh my god, I hope this is a success, because I can't see. And I'm laying on the counter. Okay. Here goes nothing. Can y'all see? Oh, good views. Oh, this water is hot. But it feels so good. It stinks really bad too, guys. I should have put like some coconut oil or something. I'm not really too worried about the back out because I don't think I got no buildup back there, but I need a towel. Oh, it's down here on my feet. Okay, you can already see the water is turning colors. I'm gonna go ahead and add the baking soda. Oh god, I hope I don't spill this. Here go the baking soda, y'all. I'm gonna try. I should have poured it in the cup, cause this is gonna be a lot. Hold on, let me. Oh no, my cup all the way over there. This is not gonna work. No. I'm gonna just try to pour. Oh no, this is not. I'm not gonna be able to do this, y'all. I need a cup. Okay, got one. Okay, where's the baking soda? I'm gonna pour some in the cup. I hope y'all can see. This so I can know how much I'm using. Is that about full? Yeah. Oh y'all, this apple cider vinegar stink. Ain't none of the videos say it stink like. Oh. Well, it's in there. I guess. Y'all see it bubbling? Make sure I pour out the apple cider vinegar. I'm just gonna sit here about 15 minutes, y'all. It feels like it's doing a good job. I'm gonna try to do it 2 times so I can make sure I get everything in. Gotta mix that baking soda in there. Oh, 15 minutes is a long time. I should have got my phone. I can reach the cup, I can reach the phone right here. Oh Lord. I'm struggling. I hope I don't drop my phone. You can't take a cute picture upside down. Alright, y'all, I think it's been 15 minutes. The water getting brown, water getting cold. Oh my god, y'all, the water is so brown. Okay, y'all. Our aftermath is real. This water browner than me. I'm pretty brown. Look at this. Look at that. At least it's all out. My hair definitely feels lighter. Like, it feels clean, but it's not even clean yet. It doesn't feel as heavy as it was, you know, before. Y'all want to see it on me? Hold on. Got this towel. Okay. Oh. Guys, this is what my hair is looking like after I take off my towel and after the ACV rinse. It does look like I have a little baking soda in there, or is that buildup? I'm not too sure, but other than that, it feels super light. Got a little body, baby moving. I can actually see my length. I wasn't this long. Before I washed it, it was very tight and munched up. That's what it's looking like in the back. I'm really digging my results. It feels really light, have so much body. I can't wait to wash it and get it smelling good, all that good stuff. Deep condition it. But alright guys, so that wraps up my ACV wash, rinse, whatever you want to call it. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up this video. If you're new to my channel and you like content like this, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave that in the comment box below. I'm always open to try new things with my locks and different hairstyles and all that good stuff. But I guess bye for now. See you guys next time.